Welcome back to Impossibly Kosher. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredible pot roast right in the oven. It's going to be delicious, filled with onions, garlic, mushrooms. How could you go wrong? Sponsored by the Kosher King and koshermeatstoyou.com. Check out their links in the description below. Get ready, because here it comes. Let's get started. Starting off, let's slice 4 nice and big onions into rounds or julienne slices. Whoa, okay. Get a deep ceramic roasting pot and layer the bottom with half of the sliced onions. The rest, save them for later. Now, crush and loosely chop 10 cloves of garlic. Then sprinkle half of them over your onions. Again, the rest, save on the side. And there you have it, a delicious beef pot. Wait a minute, we didn't finish. That's better. I'm cooking with cremini mushrooms, which I got from partesfarms.com. Check out how big they are. This one actually looks like a high heel shoe. Crazy, but we're gonna use it anyways. Let's slice them up, not too thin though, because they're gonna be shrinking while cooking. Just like the onions and garlic, we're gonna add half of the mushrooms into the pot. Add a good amount of olive oil, about 4 or 5 tablespoons, then black pepper, kosher salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. A heaping tablespoon of paprika, and let's give it a good mix. And go ahead and lay that foundation, because here comes the beef shoulder. Cover it with the rest of the onions, garlic, and mushrooms, and spice it up again. Olive oil, salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, paprika. Now add a teaspoon of beef soup mix. Pour in a cup of red wine. Now add about 2 or 3 cups of water slowly to the mix. Try not to wash off all the spices that you just put. Give it a gentle mix on top. Yeah, that's enough of that. Get the cover on, and time to get it in the oven on 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you have enough room between the racks and hold it tight because boy, it's heavy. Leave it in there for 5 hours to cook low and slow. And while waiting, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you can keep up with everything we do. Time to take that bad boy out. Careful again, it's hot and heavy. Wow, take a look at that beauty. Shrunk quite a bit, which is to be expected. Let's baste it in the sauce to rehydrate the top part. Mix things around and keep basting for a good minute or so. Now, let's slice it up. Just touching it, I can feel how delicate it is. It's even hard to cut all the way through without it falling apart. Incredible. Now cut up slices, and it's tasting time. Extremely tender. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. The meat is tender, juicy, incredible. And that's it. Easy to prepare, even easier to cook. And the smells that will be circulating your kitchen will match that incredible taste that awaits when you're ready to sit down and eat. A simple, delicious pot roast right here on Impossibly Kosher. How awesome was that video? Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up and ring that bell to get notified of future videos just released. And don't forget to check out the Kosher King and koshermeatstoyou.com, who are the proud sponsors of this video.